I hope you all are energized now. I cannot see the energy. Okay. So parents, don't you all think the kids nowadays are likely to be indoors and they don't go out much to play? But being at the home, what do? Most of the kids just sit with their tablets, mobile phones, iPads. So here we have a story of our Euro Junior kids coming on the skit on the gadget debate in the big family. So here in the role of grandfather, we have Devik. In the role of grandmother, we have Druhi. Father, Reyansh. Mother, Ridita. We have siblings who are going to Eurokids school and they are right now at home and playing on their tablets and mobile phone. We have uncle in the family, Saharsh, auntie, Yashvi, and a small kid, Pranav. So looking around the room, the grandfather is very sad.
I see everyone is here, but this place looks like a tech store than a home.
So looking at the grandfather, the grandmother gets an idea and she comes in.
I think it's time to family discussion. I remember we have not had screen, but now has blue with a screen.
Yes, parents. So don't you all agree with this? The kids nowadays are very much glued to the screen. So now let's see what our father has to say.
I agree with you, Dad, but gadgets will be help us too.
The mother from the kitchen, she comes in.
Yes, exactly. Gadgets help us to connect, but we have to use it wisely.
The mother can join the family discussion too. The sister has her point of view. Let's see what sister says.
Gadgets are awesome. I use my phone, keep in touch for my friends.
Her brother joins in too.
Yeah, I can play bad games on my tab. I don't think I can live without it.
So here comes a younger brother directly from the school.
But we also use gadgets for learning. I have Phone Buddy app that help me to learning.
The naughty brother joins in.
It's way better than going to the library. We have everything in the phone.
Oh, so let's see what our studious brother is going to say about this.
I play in mobile, but when I play more, my eyes start hurting.
The uncle shares the truth.
Gadgets are great, but we need to be careful. I work in my tech. I know how screen can be addictive.
Oh, the screens are addictive. Let's see what our cool auntie says.
I agree. But I use the gadget for photography hobby.
Oh, so this auntie has a hobby of clicking pictures. So now, what do you think? When everyone is talking about the gadgets, how can the youngest one be behind? Let's see what our youngest one has to say.
I like to watch video Bob's phone.
Okay, so he likes to watch videos on the phone. But after all the discussion, the grandfather gets very emotional. So emotionally he says,
I see. No. I miss this when we play in the garden.
The grandmother calms him down.
Anything is more special spending the good time family, whether about playing or walking.
So well said, everyone. So I think we all have learned something today from these kids.
Thank you.
So what are your views? Are the kids glued to the screen at home? Some yes, some no. No? Yes. Thank you so much, kids. Parents, we just took a break, I think. So we all are energized, right? I cannot see any energy.
Our friends have made us proud in their country. They own the stage.
So yes, did they made us proud? So we all are proud of our kids. And we have learned how screens can be addictive to us. So with this, we will further move to our next performance by our nursery kids. The kids have been showing a lot of patience backstage. So get ready for some Bollywood masti, fun and entertainment. The upcoming dance performance is on Tie Tie Fish by our nursery kids. The kids coming are Avyuk Singh, Ivan Ingale, Lakshraj Wagmare, Mithil Chavda, Shivansh Tiwari, Ayan Sarkar, Ariz Attani, Hassan Bakir and Agastya Taur.
तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश 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 मच नहीं करने का लफड़ा नहीं करने का मच नहीं करने का लफड़ा नहीं करने का सुबह सुबह दूध में भजिया नहीं करने का बदमाश छोकरा मस्ती का टुकड़ा जाने कहां से आया रे ये हट जा रे छोकरे भेजा ना ठोकरे आ रे ला तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश 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 हट जा रे छोकरे भेजा ना ठोकरे और लाए अपन पंगा नहीं करना दंगा नहीं करना कर दूंगा मैं वरना तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई
once more? So can kids ready for once more? So the energy they are showing here is been reflected by them and your parents also. So let's have one more round of tie-dye fish.
हजारे छोकरे भेजा ना ठोकरे और लाए अपन पंगा नहीं करना दंगा नहीं करना कर दूंगा मैं वरना तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश 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 मच नहीं करने का लफड़ा नहीं करने का मच नहीं करने का लफड़ा नहीं करने का सुबह सुबह दूध में भजिया नहीं लगने का
बदमाश छोकरा मस्ती का टोकरा जाने कहां से आया रे
ये हजारे छोकरे भेजा ना ठोकरे आ रहे लाए अपन पंगा नहीं करना दंगा नहीं करना कर दूंगा मैं वरना तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश 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 हजारे छोकरे भेजा ना ठोकरे और लाए अपन पंगा नहीं करना दंगा नहीं करना कर दूंगा मैं वरना तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश 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 फिश
So parents, how was this performance? Was it worth waiting till the break time?
टेंशन नहीं लेने का, टेंशन नहीं लेने का, टेंशन खाली देने का.
Tension खाली देने का. What are you saying?
Sorry teacher, I mean we all should follow this motto. We need to live in the present moment.
Yes, so our kids have followed this motto of living in the present moment. So टेंशन नहीं लेने का, टेंशन सिर्फ देने का. This is the motto of our kids. कि हमको टेंशन लेना ही नहीं. We have to give the tension to teachers, mamas, papas, right? Okay. So get ready to be dazzled with the speed, agility and flair of our kids as they perform to Chak Dhoom Dhoom with their dynamic movements, intricate footwears and captivating expressions. They are going to transport you to the world of excitement, joy and celebration. So welcome our Euro Junior kids, Arya Shukla, Dhruvan Das, Mohammad Hadi Sheikh, Pratham Thakkar, Avyan Singh, Veer Kadam Mistry, Ayansh Gupta, Dhani Yadav, Vihang Pawar, Samaira Lakhani and Kuvam Tang.
घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम? घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम?
लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम।
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम। कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम। अरे कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम। कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम। चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम। बादल झुके झुके से है,
रास्ते रुके रुके से हैं,
क्या तेरी मर्जी है मेरा, घर हमको जाने न देगा।
आगे है बरसात पीछे है तूफान, मौसम बेईमान कहाँ चले हम तुम।
चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम।
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम।
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम। चक दुम दुम 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 चक। My friends blew all mine. My friends blew all mine with their dance.
So yes, his friends have actually blown our minds away, right? Thank you so much, Zidan. So parents, where are the claps? So how was the performance, parents? Thank you, thank you. So once again, it's time for our Euro Junior kids to come up with some magic. So keep the cheerings and hootings flow as our Euro Junior kids are coming to perform on Magic in the Air. The kids coming are Advik Sahu, Rishan Tiwari, Aryash Purohit, Naizan Sheikh, Mahat Sai, Rayan, Kabir Shroff, Tanay Jha, Nitya Waghela, Srisha Upadhyay and Aisha Syed.
Magic in the air,
all felt the magic in the air?
It was magical performance. Me is Dhoni, Senior KZ. Senior Gachi. Let us screen happy moments with Moss with a dance.
Yes, so let us make magic moments with our dance moves.
But where are Euro senior fans? When will they perform?
We did not had any senior performances, so our little host is waiting for his friends to perform. We can achieve anything we dream of. So welcome our Euro senior kids to perform on the song Give Me Fire. Welcome the kids. The kids are Arvi, Abira, Eva, Kabir, Samskruti, Sara, Shivaditya, Zidane, Shrikhar, Yansh, Brishank, Vihan, Mriksha, Tanvi, Medansh and Naira.
Now wave your flag, now wave your flag, now
Once more? Okay, so we'll do once more after a minute. Parents, we can keep the claps rolling. They don't need to get older to be stronger. They are strong from now. So parents, how are our kids? The performance? I think they are strong from now only. They don't need to get older to be stronger. They are strong from now.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है। इसराइल क्या मस्त किया अपने फ्रेंड्स ने।
Kids, are we waiting? Are we in the waiting room? We are on the stage, right?
You find the music within, dance to own beats. Israeli really performance.
It was really a fiery performance. So kids have enjoyed the performance, right? Did you all enjoy it? Our Euro Junior kids have lined up at the backstage, eagerly waiting to show you their dance moves. So once again, I would like to call them on the stage as they are going to show us how to live our life to the fullest and enjoy every small thing.
दुनिया की बातें बातें छोड़ के, गमों की बाहों को मरोड़ के, खुशी खड़ी है इस मोड़ पे। We got to go that way, we got to go that way। कोई गलत या कहे सही, हमें किसी की परवाह नहीं। चाहे जहाँ भी लगे जिंदगी, we got to go that way, we got to go that way। अब जो भी हो, जाने दो, हम बेफिक्र चलते रहे, चलते रहे। दिल से कहो, कहते रहो, हम बेफिक्र चलते रहे, चलते रहे। हमें नहीं किसी से वास्ता, अपना अलग ही है रास्ता। सारे जमाने को है ये पता, they know that we don't care, they know that we don't care। अपना तो छोटा सा है ये जहां, मर्जी से अपनी हम जीने यहाँ। सुनते किसी की हम है कहाँ, you know that we don't care, you know that we don't care। अब जो भी हो, जाने दो, हम बेफिक्र चलते रहे, चलते रहे। दिल से कहो, कहते रहो, हम बेफिक्र चलते रहे, चलते रहे।
Thank you so much, kids. Thank you. Slowly, slowly. Here. Leave.
Wow, what a dance, my friends. I am feeling energetic and fresh.
So are you all also feeling energetic and fresh?
Every moment is becoming history and enjoy your present.
So yes, every moment is becoming a history. So our kids are just telling us to enjoy each and every moment of our life and not to worry about the future. So on the stage, we will be having a crew of dancers ready to rock the waves. With every step, they will ride the tide of rhythm and take you to a thrilling adventure. So let's blow your whistles as loud as you all can and welcome our Euro Junior kids to perform on the song Masti Ki Pathshala. The kids coming are Nishiv, Saharsh, Arjun, Ayansh Agarwal, Devik, Hamad, Jayveer, Kavyansh, Parth, Reyansh and Rudra.
के जूता कस के बेल्ट खोस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो ये सोते भी है टेंशन आगे रहने की है टेंशन मेहनत इनको प्यारी है एकदम आज्ञाकारी है आज्ञाकारी है
Once more. Okay, kids, once more. Parents, our kids are going to perform it once more, so please show your energy also.
जूता कस के बेल्ट खोस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो ये सोते भी है टेंशन आगे रहने की है टेंशन मेहनत इनको प्यारी है एकदम आज्ञाकारी है आज्ञाकारी है
Lose control. One more time. Lose control. Lose control.
ना कोई पढ़ने वाला ना कोई सीखने वाला ना कोई पढ़ने वाला ना कोई सीखने वाला अपनी तो पाठशाला मस्ती की पाठशाला अपनी तो पाठशाला मस्ती की पाठशाला
Lose control.
Superb, superb.
My friends made us proud with their dance.
They were having so much fun.
They are
They were
having so much fun.
I think the dance was once more because the kids were having more fun, right? If the kids are enjoying, then we will surely like to have it once more. So parents, moving to our next performance. So I would request everyone to keep the claps rolling, keep the whistles continually whistling. Our Euro senior kids are ready to perform on a patriotic song. So please welcome our kids, Adya Singh, Aira Imran, Abir Thapa, Akshad More, Aryaveer Singh, Atharva Sinha, Droni Singh, Krishang Salian, Naisha Tiwari, Raish Patel, Shloka Shetty, Shresht Dubey, Snigdha Chaudhary, Shrushti Savarkar, Tanish Sutar, Nirvi Kadam and Yusuf Khan.
तेरा नाम है साजा तेरा नाम है साजा मन में तेरा नाम है साजा, कि तेरा नाम है साजा, मन मेरी आने पाचा, बस नाम तेरा माँ हो। एक पहचान मेरी तू ही, जिंद जान मेरी तू ही, जहान मेरा माँ।
सौ बारी जान मैं तुझ पे वारना, सौ बारी जान मैं तेरे कुर्बान मेरी माँ। वंदे
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो,
हमने कहा है जो
तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
हो मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना। प्यारबाज हम, जानसाज हम, इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले। छूटे दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले। दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
Thank you so much, kids.
That performance was powerful reminder, patriotism and Bashtra pride.
Yes, it was a powerful reminder about the national pride and patriotism.
It was truly experience, and I am grateful of my friends.
So how's the Josh audience? High, very high, super high. So I must say we have witnessed something truly special. Let's give these young stars a very big round of applause they truly deserve. This applauding is just the beginning stage. They have to see a lot in their life ahead. So this was the end of our kids' performance. And without any further ado, I would like to call our talented mammas on the stage to show their dancing skills. So it's time to groove to the beats of our very own era, empowered, ambitious, and unapologetic millennial girls. They are going to redefine the performance and success. Born between 1980s and 1996, these young women are driven by passion, fueled by creativity, and undaunted by the challenges. It's time for the millennial queens to take the stage and dance to the iconic Bollywood tracks that defined their generation. From Chudi Jo Khanki to Chunari Chunari, these ladies bring back the nostalgia, energy, and sass of 90s. Let's take a trip down the memory lane and get mesmerized by their scintillating performance. So please welcome Chanchal Singh, mother of Avyukt Singh, Sonal Jalonia, mother of Ditya Jatav, Durga Chaurasia, mother of Sanvi Chaurasia, Bhagyashri Khandagale, mother of Smith Khandagale, Snehal Moge, mother of Angad Moge, and Priyanka Shinde, mother of Ivan Ingle.
कंगना कंगना झुमका 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 पायलिया पायलिया कंगना 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 झुमका 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 पायलिया पायलिया छनक छनक के बोले छनक छनक के बोले बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल गोरे गोरे गालों पे है काला काला तिल बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल दिल पे अटक जाए आशिकों का दिल जरा बच के रहना चलिए जरा बच के रहना चलिए मेरी अदा भी है कातिल बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल गोरे गोरे गालों पे है काला काला तिल मैं अलबेली घूमूं अकेली कोई पहेली हूँ मैं हाँ मैं अलबेली घूमूं अकेली कोई पहेली हूँ मैं पगली हाँ
So the energy and the joy brought by this event was commendable. We are very grateful for your participation, mamas. Our next performance is not just about the dance itself, but it is also about the dedication, hard work and passion that we teachers bring to the classroom every day. They inspire us, motivate us and help us grow, and today we get to see them in a whole new light. So let's give a big round of applause to all our amazing teachers who are about to take the stage. So please keep the claps rolling.
So let's welcome our host of the day, Sapna teacher, Mayuri, Jayanti teacher. Teachers, please come. Shaista teacher, Amruta teacher, Vidya teacher, Janvi teacher, Lakshmi teacher. Other two teachers will join in soon.
सलामा आ गए फिर से करने हंगामा, बोरिंग लम्हों को कर दे गुलाबी, जश्न रुकने न देंगे शराबी। अपना फेमस है याद आना, अपने संग तू भी आ जाना, छोड़ दुनिया से शर्माना, जोरों जोरों से तू चिल्लाना। Cool man, cool man, everything's gonna be cool man, cool man, everything's gonna be cool man.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। जो ही बंद की ताल है, यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है, बांटते हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे खुल के हम इसका प्यार, जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, कि जिंदगी यही है और नहीं। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। I'll be alright, I'll be alright, I'll be alright। तू है तो टेढ़ी मेरी राह, उल्टी पुल्टी बातें सीधी लगती है, तू है तो झूठे मूठे वादे, दुश्मन के इरादे सच्चे लगते हैं, जो दिल में तारे वारे दे जगा वो तू ही है जो रोते रोते दे हटा, तू ही है वही, जाने क्यों दिल जानता है, तू है
देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। दिल भर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं, आज ज़मीं पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं। अकलो होश नमी दानम हम है दिल है हर जानम, बस दीवानगी 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 है। ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर, बस दीवानगी 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 है। All hot girls put your hands up and say oh Shanti oh, make some noise and say oh Shanti oh.
Parents, I know it was a mess, but this was a hard work for a couple of days only. We have practiced only for a day or two. Yes, please clap for us. So we were already busy with the kids practice and everything, so we got only a couple of days to practice for our dance, and this was the hard work done by us. So parents, was this the end of our show? No. What do you all think? Yes, of course. But I would like to thank Darshana ma'am for this. She has taken this decision for our Didis. She has decided this in the last academic year for our Didis to perform on the stage. There is no other preschool, I think, or any other school who gave this opportunity to the Didis also to come on the stage and perform on the annual day. And we hope to continue this legacy for the coming years too. Though we had only 4 Didis for this academic year, they have worked very hard. And I would like to welcome our Didis who have been working smoothly with our kids and giving them the comfort they want. It is their wisdom, experience and warmth they make our children comfortable in the school. So please give our Didis a hearty welcome. So we have Ganga Didi, Minakshi Didi, Sunita Didi and Sanjana Didi with us.
हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियां जो भंवरे आके लूट गए। बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों न मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं, है सवार लूं। हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए। गुलों की शोखियां जो भंवरे आके लूट गए। बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों न मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं, है सवार लूं, सवार लूं, है सवार लूं। धिकड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल। नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे, ढोल बाजे, ढाई ढाई धम धम धाय। नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे, ढोल बाजे, ढाई ढाई धाय धम धाय। ये धिकड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल। नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे, ढोल बाजे, ढाई ढाई धम धम धाय। नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे, ढोल बाजे, ढाई ढाई धाय धम धाय। रे खट 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 बाज दस तक वो न अब तक आया। रे तब से हाँ देखी राह के अब तू खोल बाहें आजा। मड़ घूमे रे मचले रे मोरा मन गूंजे रे बालम के बोल। गाड़े संग ढोल बाजे, ढोल बाजे, ढाई ढाई धम धम धाय। ना गाड़े संग ढोल बाजे, ढोल बाजे, ढाई ढाई धाय धम धाय। ये धिकड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल। नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे, ढोल बाजे, ढाई ढाई धम धम धाय। नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे, ढोल बाजे, ढाई ढाई धाय धम धाय।
Thank you so much, Didis. So our theme, Dance to Your Own Beat, was more than just the reflection of the performances you have witnessed. It was a reminder to each one of us that life is a dance and we must learn to move to the rhythm that feels true to our hearts. Whether through music, through movements, or through the way we express ourselves, we all have our own beat to follow. Today, every performer showcased their power of individual expressions. We saw graceful dancers, bold actors, and passionate musicians, each bringing something unique to the stage. Your creativity and energy have made this event unforgettable. A big thank you to our teachers and staff for their guidance, patience, and unwavering support. Your hard work behind the scene is truly appreciated, and to the parents, your constant belief in your children shines through in everything they do. Thank you for always encouraging them. Most importantly, thank you to all the students who have made this day truly magical. Keep dancing to your own beats in your studies, friendship, and dreams. Don't let anyone tell you how to move or where to go. Your journey is yours to create. So on behalf of the organization team, thank you once again for making this event spectacular.
Thank you, parents. I'll request you all to be patient for next 5 minutes. There is one announcement what we need to make, and dispersal we will start here from the right side of the my right side of the stage. So we'll call out the class-wise name. You all can come down when you see your kids. Please don't gather near the right side of the stage. Before that, just 1 second. Image display करिएगा. We first of all, this is first time when my partner, my backbone, is going to be introduced on stage, and maximum of the parents don't know her. So let us introduce her, Miss Mamta. She is an unseen hard worker, my backbone, who is always there with me. Why I am introducing her today? Because we are going to be awarded on 4th of March. Here is the invitation for the same, for our hard work and the dedication. Thank you, all of you. This wasn't possible without the trust what you all are having on us. So again, thank you so much for entrusting us for each and every incident happening at the school, whether kids getting hurt, whether kids crying while moving inside and getting quiet within a minute or two. And I said you all are always welcome to see your kids, what they are doing live. Anytime you want, you can move in and check what your kids are doing. Yeah. First of all, I'll again, one more time, thanks my partner, Miss Mamta. It wouldn't have been possible without the face of the school and without your support. So thank you very much once again.